What's up guys, welcome back to the tutorial. It's been like 2 weeks since I posted the color change tutorial, so I have nothing to do, so thought I'd make a new one. This tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to a volume slider to like adjust volume on hit sounds, music, stuff like that. So I'll be showing you guys how to do that. So basically, uh how this works is, let me go into play mode. Um so uh, Using the Ray interactors, which I'll show how to set up. Um, you have a slider here. You can adjust the music of it like this. And then you can also do things with hit sounds, which I'll show you how to do. Yeah, so let's get into it. So to start off, you guys are going to want to go to my Discord. And at the bottom there should be volume slider. Or you can also go to browse channels and search volume slider. I just posted this in there. Um, so then download that and import it into your project. So then, um, add a UI canvas and set render mode to screen space to world space. Um, and I'd set it to like 0, 0, 0. Or like move it to your area or whatever, just like that. Here, I'm actually gonna delete these because I'll show you how to set them up, so there's not really a point in having that in there. So then we have our canvas, world space, whatever. Uh, Put it wherever you like. Right click on the canvas, UI slider. It might be a little big. Just scale the canvas down. And it might look like this. So on your slider, do from like right to left, or left to right, and put the value to 1 in your slider component on the inspector. Um, so then yeah, we can customize this however we like. So open fill, and it'll be an image. So then I would set that to green, and if you click background, I would set this to red. So then on our slider, it'll be red like that. And you can do whatever you want with all this, customizing it, whatever. So I'll just place it right there. It's a little small, scale that up. And just like that. So then on our slider, add component and volume slider, search volume slider. So then we have that. So when you're on your slider thing, drag in your music slider, and we have audio source. So if you have like music in your game, so let's say I have an audio source right there, and I have my music on there. All you want to do is just drag that into there, and it works just like that. If we enter play mode, or if we enter play mode, it will work. If you don't have the Ray interactors set up, I'll show you how to set that up. Um, so my bad about all this. On your right hand and left hand controller, you can click Control to select both of them or whatever you need to, or Shift. Right click, create empty, and name this like array, whatever you want, Ray interactor, whatever. Um, I'm gonna drag these both above that, and rename to Ray. And then on your rig, add a XR interaction manager. So add XR interaction and find XR interaction manager, and you don't have to mess with that. So on both of your arrays, you can select control to select both of them individually. Add a component and add a XR Ray interactor. And where it says interaction manager, click this little dot, Seuss rig, or your rig, whatever. I have mine set to Seuss rig, don't worry about that. Just click that and put it as whatever you have your interaction manager on. Then add a XR Ray or XR line visual, interactor line visual, and that'll do that. Open up this line render where it says width, set to 0.05, and it will automatically be pink. If you want to put materials on it, just drag your material, whatever, in there. So then that's all of it. So then it was working, but if it wouldn't work, then you have that. And after all that, if it still doesn't work, go to your canvas and add a tracked device graphic raycaster and leave that. If after everything, if it doesn't work, do that. I also have help down in my Discord server. There's a help VC and a help channel. Ping me or moderator, whatever. Yeah. So for hit sounds, basically, all you want to do is I'll delete this. On your slider, add 2 volume sliders, components, scripts, or whatever, and just drag in your controllers on those. So then I'll show you how this will work. So if you have both of them on there, it'll adjust the same thing. So if I select my right hand, it makes a sound, but if I go like this, or whatever, it will not. Oh. Alright, well, you get the point, it should work for you. I probably have some weird thing set up on mine, where the volume is all messed up, but I probably messed it up. But for you guys, it should work. If it doesn't, go down to my help channel, and, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and, have a great day. Bye.